everyone, it's Katrin here again and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be transforming my gorgeous cousin into a melanin princess for her birthday. So her birthday is in a few days and she wanted me to do her makeup and take her pictures. So in today's video, I started off by prepping a skin with my Hydrate moisturizer. My moisturizer Hydrate from Omaricode. Then afterwards, I used my Younger Beauty primer, and then I used my oil blocker from Zara Cosmetics. So that's basically what I use to prep a skin.
What's your dream?
So here I'm using my Elise Claire illuminator. I like to apply it sometimes before foundation. So that's what I'm applying right now on the skin. You know, we got the glow. You were sleeping. So for foundation, I'm going to be using one old Marykay foundation that I have. She doesn't have foundation. So I'm going to be using that foundation on her, and I'll be mixing it with my Maybelline foundation as well, just to try and get her exact shade. It's not really a shade, so that's what I'm doing now. Then for highlights, I'm going to be using the Elegant Concealer in FAWN and Toffee to highlight her brows, to highlight her face. Then I went ahead to use the um, Elegant Concealer in the shade Dark Cocoa for her contour. Keep it coming, kissing and hugging. I love it. Waking up to you feels so good. Waking up to you. So to set the highlighted areas, I'm using the RCMA no color setting powder to set the highlighted areas, like I said. Okay. You were sleeping. Keep it coming, kissing and hugging. I love it.
Show me your dream.
So I've gone ahead to do eyebrows off camera because I already have an eyebrow tutorial on my channel. So if you are interested in seeing how I do my eyebrows, you can check out that video. I'm going to leave a card up here. Yeah, I'm going to leave a card. So for eyeshadow, I just wanted to do, she said she wanted something very soft very natural, like something that I would usually just do on myself. So I just used a brown eyeshadow from my BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, and then after I used a brownish goldenish eyeshadow as well. For eyeliner, I'm using the Younger Beauty eyeliner. I really love this eyeliner, by the way. It's actually very dry, like very dark. Yeah, so I love it. So that's what I'm using for eyeliner. Then afterwards, I went ahead to use my mascara from Zaron Cosmetics, the white and black mascara. You guys know that mascara. I love it so much because of the mascara wand. It's small, so like it gets to my lower lashes as well. So that's what I'm using for her mascara.
What's your dream?
To set the rest of her face, I used the Maybelline powder to set her face. Then afterwards, I used um z- the random contour kit to powder contour her nose.
I love holding you when we're sleeping. I love holding you when we're sleeping. I love holding you when we're sleeping. Keep it coming, kissing and hugging. I love it. Waking up to you feels so good.
I lost the footage where I was highlighting her face. So next, I just used my Elise Claire Cosmetics highlight palette. So that's what I used to highlight her face. Afterwards, I used the Zaron lip pencil in Cappuccino and Stallion. I mixed both of them, and a random nude lipstick that I have. Like I've had this for a long time. I can't even remember the name of the lipstick.
Waking up to you.
So guys, this is the finished look. Can you see this fine ass Isoko girl? My gosh, I've turned her into a melanin brown skin, gorgeous, beautiful girl. She looks so nice, you guys. You guys, please help me say happy birthday to her in the comments. She will definitely be in the comments reading your messages. Thank you. So next, she's using this hair that I made for her, by the way. I was really down at the time I made it, so I couldn't make a video. But if you guys want a tutorial on how I made this hair, do let me know in the comment section, and I would definitely shoot that video for you guys. So thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Bye.
Sleeping, keep it coming, kissing and hugging. I love it. Show me your dream.